served as tank commander on all the fronts in Israel, both up north and down south. Being a combat soldier is sort of a way to step out of yourself and step out of the self-centeredness of your teenage years when you're sort of developing and you're building yourself and you're learning who you are. And you get to become part of society and part of the state and part of the nation in a way that you can never do that anywhere else. And it's a huge gift coming to Israel and making Aliyah and joining the army, made a connection with Israel. If you're not in the country and you're not donating with your hands, you can't give the same gift and get the same returns as you do from the army. To have that sense of responsibility and that feeling of people who are looking up to you and people who are depending upon you at the age of 20 is something that's impossible to receive anywhere else. The army gave me an ability to learn my strengths and my weaknesses, something that will take me forward in my private life and my professional life for many years to come.